AZEK has engineered adhesives for easy application. AZEK Cellular PVC Cement is ideal for securing joints. AZEK PVC Cement can be used for scarf and miter joints. It has a working time of approximately 10 minutes and fully cures in approximately 24 hours. Note that this adhesive does not have gap filling, so it needs compression or it will not adhere properly. If the trim you are working with has a protective film on it, peel back from edge before gluing. For best results, glue all AZEK to AZEK joints with AZEK Cellular PVC Cement. Be sure to apply adhesive to the entire joint and use compression to ensure the best adhesion. Use AZEK Cellular PVC Cement or another suitable adhesive to the joint of each trim piece to minimize gaps from expansion and contraction. Carefully place each piece onto its marked location, ensuring proper alignment and spacing. If glue gets on the face of the board, immediately wipe off excess with a clean damp cloth to avoid staining. Visit azekexteriors.com for more information.